Food giant Danone has announced that it has completed the sale of its assets and it's winding down its operation in Russia, which accounted for about 5% of the company global sales and where it has been operating for more than 30 years. According to Ukrinform, the group announced that the completion of the sales is a press release the day before. Today, Danone announced that it has completed the sales of its food production business in Russia to Women R LLC after obtaining the necessary permits from Russian regulators, the document says, but does not provide any details. At the end of March, the French group announced that it had received the necessary approvals from Russian regulators to sell its Russian subsidiary and was close to reaching an agreement with the buyer. However, it is only now that the deal has been finalized. The sale of its dairy and vegetable production business to Vemin R LLC, known as Vemin Tetracetin, to a Russian dairy company owned by Mintimir Mengozev, who has ties to Ramzan Kadyrov, was scheduled for the coming weeks, the journalist writes. In March, it was said that the women Tatarstan was ready to buy Ruby 17.7 billion. Experts noted that the real value of the assets was between 60 and 80 billion. It took the company more than 7 months after the full-scale invasion to begin the process of leaving Russia. It was only in October 2022 that it has announced plans to leave the Russian market, but then President Putin signed a decree to nationalize Danone. The state control blocked the sales process as the owners had in resist the authorities appointed Jacob Zagreb, nephew of Chechen leader Ramzan Zagreb, at the head of the Republic Ministry of Agriculture as a new CEO of Danone. The French company Danone is one of the largest producers of dairy products and other foods, operating in more than 140 countries. Danone entered Russia in 1992. The company Russian assets were registered with Danone Russia GSC